Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful iPad cover. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and elastic. This iPad cover looks so cute and beautiful and it is easy to do. To do this beautiful iPad cover, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, slip knot, single crochet, half double crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful iPad cover. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch you are going to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and the number of chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch we are going to do. After doing them, it looks like this. So next, you are going to work on the third loop. So if you see here, this is the chain. So this is the front loop, back loop, and if you turn the chain, you can see a bump like structure at the back. So this will be the third loop. We are going to work on this third loop. So turn your work, yarn over, insert the hook in this third loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will have 3 loops. Next you are going to insert this first loop through these 2 loops. So turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these 2 loops. Now we have done the first stitch. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this whole project. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the third loop here, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will be having 3 loops. Next you will insert this first loop through these 2 loops. So for that, turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these 2 loops like this. So second stitch, yarn over, insert it in this third loop here like this, yarn over, pull through the loop, and next you are going to insert this single loop through these 2 loops. So pull this single loop like this, turn the hook and pull through these 2 loops. So this will be the pattern you have to follow till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. We are having 49 stitches. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We will be working in this chain. Here we will be working in these chain. We have to follow the same pattern how we did in the previous row. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch by taking both the loops of this chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops and you are going to insert the first loop through the other 2 loops like this. So yarn over, insert the hook by taking both the loops. That is, we are taking this chain, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops and you are going to insert this first loop through these 2 loops. Likewise, you are going to follow the pattern. After doing them to the required size, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do a strap. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the strap you want. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and so the foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the strap you want. So for this we are going to make a strap, continuous strap. So we will be doing the strap like this way here. The foundation chain should be double the length of the body part. After doing the chain, you can measure them till the required length of the strap you want. After that, you will join them in the first chain like this and do a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Now it will form like a circle here. Next, we are going to do double crochet in each stitch. For that, start with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, you are going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Likewise, you're going to do double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. Next, you can finish them by doing a slip stitch in this third chain. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So now the strap is ready. Next, we will see how to join the strap to the body part. We will mark it like this in which place we want the handle, and next we are going to join them to the body part. So likewise, we will be joining them till this point, and then we will turn like this and join this side till here, and same way how we did here, we will be doing the other side as well. After adding the strap to the body part, it looks like this. Next, we are going to add the strap. Do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. So insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next, it's single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 8 more stitches. Totally, you should have 10 single crochet stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches, it looks like this. Next, you are going to add the strap. Leave little more strap like this, and you are going to join the strap to the body part using half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook below the strap and through this loop, yarn over, pull through them. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. So next stitch, half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, placing the strap on the top of it, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So likewise, you are going to do half double crochet in each stitch by joining the strap to the body part till you are left with the last 10 stitches. After doing half double crochet by joining the strap, it looks like this. Now we are left with 10 stitches, so we are not going to join the elastic along with it. This 10 stitches, you are going to do single crochet. After doing single crochet in the corner, it looks like this. Next, in the side, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches, it looks like this. Next, you are going to add this strap along with the body part using half double crochet. You have to continue them how we did here, same way till you are left with last 10 stitches. After doing half double crochet, it looks like this. Now we are left with 10 stitches. Now we are not going to join this elastic, so we'll bring this elastic in front and we are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do half double crochet to join this elastic. So likewise, you are going to do till you are left with the last 10 stitches, and in that 10 stitches, we will be doing single crochet without joining the elastic how we did here. Same way, we will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. After that, we will be joining the elastic using half double crochet till you reach the stitch marker, and then we will do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end and finish it off using slip stitch. After joining them using half double crochet, it looks like this. Now we are left with the last 10 stitches, so we will not add this elastic along with it. Instead, we will be doing single crochet in each stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Same way, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches on this side. After doing single crochet, it looks like this. Next, we will add the elastic using half double crochet. So likewise, we will be joining them till this stitch marker. So we have completed this one side. It looks like this. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are left with the last 10 stitches. You're not going to add the elastic, so we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch and finish it off using slip stitch and snip off the yarn. We will join them together like this. After joining them, it looks like this. This is how this iPad cover looks. iPad cover looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.